Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nan's Hidden Apron. A simple breakfast this morning. Or brunch. Depends on what time it is in your area. You can even have this for a snack if you want. Or even for dinner. Want to see? Come on. If you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you will. Please click the subscription button and the notification bell and click all. That way you'll know every time we put new content on. Give me a thumbs up. Leave comments down there to let me know other things that we can do as far as putting delicious flavors into this tortilla. We put new content on every Tuesday, typically at 6 a.m. So be sure and join us. And we'll see you next time. Bye.